things you do makes me keep running to you.
We did it again, packed it out, man, brought the hood out. We brought the hood out this time, but the stack sold out. We did it, man, once again, only on Facebook promotion, and we sold it out again.
On the block for real. Tell these niggas slide, slay the set like I'm acting. Tell them to stop hiding.
Private ticket events get you money like this.
How we all ride, is either one or the other. You gotta pick a side.
Get the one too. Make sure you get the one.
Free cash.
Little free shit. Make sure you start the camera off like this. Yep, and guess what? I'm tagging all you niggas on Facebook. I do it on purpose. Just let you niggas know. I do it on purpose. I'm hotter than you niggas anyway, nigga. How about that? And I've been humble, nigga. Enough of this humble shit, nigga. Niggas ain't fucking with me, nigga. Mr. Consistent, nigga, all around the board, nigga. My niggas want to talk rap, let's talk money. Let's talk money. Y'all gonna do third floor, bro. Let's talk money, nigga. Y'all want to talk rap, talk money with me. You already know, man.
What they going for?
What these going for? Little 150, little 150. Get you one. Hold on. You got license out there. Little 150. 150, little 150. I'm thinking all this shit ain't get shot. They say bang through whole shits on fights and all this crazy shit. No, niggas be drunk and don't know how to handle their liquor. Blame it on their liquor and start talking crazy and shit happens. A lot of niggas counting me out. Try, man, sabotage my parties, do all this fucking fuckery, man. But I'm back again, man, through a private event. I don't know where it's at because it's private. It was a ticket-only event. We sold it out, man. A lot of you niggas already know I'm doing this shit twice a month, man. Bringing them out. Let's go. Man, come fuck with me. Come fuck with me one time.
The things you do makes me keep running to you. The things you do makes me keep running to you. Shorty head on straight, she all about the cash. Man, the path that she walk make me wanna spin it back. Baby girl is my rider, I ain't even gotta ask.
Man, yo, listen, how many artists can do this, nigga? Bring them out like this with no artists, nigga. I am the artist. Look, they coming in too, bro. Yo, how many artists can do this? How many artists can do this? How many people can do this? Look at my man. How many artists can do this? Why you doing that? How many artists can do that, nigga? Y'all got bars, but how many niggas count these money like this? Okay, bars is 20, bro. Little 20. I'm saying a little 20 too. Little 20. Little 20. Little 20. How many people can do that? Bring them out like this. What you niggas talking about, nigga? This ain't the first time I've been selling shit out.
21B.
21B. Oh, 7-Eleven. Bro, y'all ain't let me get to them yet. The rest of it. My nigga got me okay? Counting on the Skrilla. Skrilla Gorilla magazine. Skrilla Gorilla 518 magazine is mine too, nigga. I'm in everything moving, nigga. Jordan, 518 magazines, parties, rapper, consistent, me, nigga, and I ain't drunk. Yo, this is my own brand. Joint Life is a brand. You got tickets? Show me the tickets on camera. Show me the tickets on camera. It's my own brand. I bring them out by myself, nigga. I bring them out by my dolly, nigga. Facebook tags only, nigga. 204, Joint Life is a brand, man. It's more than a movement, it's a brand. So you niggas be acting crazy. You got the ticket, bro? Show me the ticket on the camera one time. $20. It's 2 o'clock and they still coming in. 2 hours left. Footage, yo, look, this is all party money. I'm gonna get the Audi fixed on y'all. Audi fixed on you niggas. And I paid everybody already too, just to let you know. Everybody's paid.
I got my bag.
Everybody's paid. He got his bag. Loyalty got his bag. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh. Good. That good. Third floor. You got a ticket?
What's up?
See, man, the difference between me and other niggas in the 518, other rappers, I don't just rap. Mr. Consistent himself, you already fucking know, man. I hear niggas talking about that favorite artist in the 518 top artist shit, man. I do more than fucking rap. I get to the fucking bag. I chase the bag. Ask around, nigga. I sell sneakers, do parties.
The things you do makes me